We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your drum, and I'm working with a brother MFC-L5900dw. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open your front hatch, pull this green lever, and then go ahead and release your toner from your drum. Put your old drum to the side, unbox your new one, get it ready to put that toner in. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. And then you need to take this green tab and just run it across here a few times. You always want to put it back in its locking position where the arrow is. And stick your drum unit in your printer and shut your front hatch. You also need to reset your drum anytime you replace it. So how you do that is in this top corner there's the little tools. Hit that button once it stops processing. Okay, hit that button, and then you'll see down here it says all settings. It's the tool button again, and then you want to hit down. You're gonna see machine info, hit that, and then you're gonna hit parts life, and then you're gonna hold down this drum part until it prompts you to reset your drum. Then you're gonna hit yes, and your drum should then reset itself. If you guys are seeing lots of issues with your printer, it might be time to bring it in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.